Let's fix this infinite loop on Netflix where it just plays the audio in the background and gives you no picture. Even if you close the app and reopen it, it's just going to start the same loop again. So basically, our devices, no matter which device you're using, Fire Stick, Nvidia Shield, Android TV device, for some reason with the Netflix app, it can't take playing Netflix for like a long period of time. So what we have to do is reset the device. So I'm on the Shield here, but down below I'm gonna leave like different ways to restart different streaming devices in the description box. So you may have to slip that arrow point down to see it. But all we have to do is just reboot or restart our devices. All right, my device is restarted. Got Netflix back up, so let's try this one more time. And there we go, back in business. So again, y'all, we just gotta restart our devices because for some reason, whenever we play Netflix nonstop, it has this issue. So it's like a common issue. Hopefully they fix it in a future update. But for this video, this is all I got for you. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.